Welcome to this tutorial on how to simplify fractions with examples. Simplifying a fraction means reducing it to its smallest possible form. In other words, we want to find an equivalent fraction that has the same value but smaller numbers. To simplify a fraction, we need to divide both the numerator and denominator by their greatest common factor, GCF. The GCF is the largest number that divides both the numerator and denominator without leaving a remainder. Let's look at an example. Suppose we want to simplify the fraction 24/36. The first step is to find the GCF of 24 and 36. We can do this by listing the factors of each number and finding the largest one that they have in common. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. The factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. The largest factor that they have in common is 12. The next step is to divide both the numerator and denominator by 12. 24 divided by 12 is 2, and 36 divided by 12 is 3. Therefore, the simplified form of 24/36 is 2/3. Another example is the fraction 45/60. To simplify this fraction, we need to find the GCF of 45 and 60. The factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, and 45. The factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, and 60. The largest factor that they have in common is 15. Dividing both the numerator and denominator by 15, we get 3/4. So the simplified form of 45/60 is 3/4. This is how you simplify fractions. Thank you for watching.